In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can create our Azure account. And once it has been created, we'll see how we can create a Cosmos DB instance. The first thing that you need to do is visit this URL, portal.azure.com, and then you can go ahead and create your account. So let's dive into that now. After visiting the URL, you'll be presented with this screen where you can sign in with your existing Microsoft account like email, phone, or Skype. If you don't have any, you can go ahead and create a new one. Please do remember that you will have to provide your credit card credentials. It will not be charged till your free trial period is over. So that being said, you're all good to create your Azure account, and once that's done, you can log in to your account like I've done over here, and you can create a new Azure Cosmos DB by clicking on this link and then say create. As you can see, I've already created one over here, so I'll be demonstrating that. And once you will be able to create your Cosmos DB like I've done over here, so my account is did you apply. Now after that, all you need to do is add tables to this, and tables over here are referred as containers. So here you can see I've created a couple of tables like candidate, jobs, applicants, users container, jobs container, city container, and company container. So these are all the tables, and they are part of the did you apply database. To add a new container, all you need to do is click on add container, and then you'll be able to create a new one by providing the database. If you feel like creating a new database, you can go ahead and do that, or you can use the existing one. Like in my case, I can choose the existing database and then the container ID. So this could be without any spaces, any value like I've shown. And a partition key is basically a unique key. So in your table, whatever is the unique combination, like let's say ID, then you will just specify ID. If it's something else, you can use that. I'll be quickly demonstrating that as well. So once you have done that, you can choose the throughput. If you are using it for development purpose, I will recommend go with manual and don't go with the analytical store, and just save this by clicking OK. Now if I show you existing one, so here we have company container. So you can see the partition is on the email, so this has to be unique in this particular container. Similarly, if I show you some other containers like jobs container, here you can see the job ID is the partition key that we are using. If I go to city container and click on items, here you'll see city/state is being used as the partition key. So it has to be unique basically. So that's how you can create your Cosmos DB account, and you can add containers to your database. Now if I go back to overview and click on home here, you'll notice if I have to create a new one, I can go ahead and click on add, and here I'll have to select the subscription, the resource group to which the billing will be applied, and then the account name, the API. So here by default it has got this core SQL. You can also go for Azure Cosmos for MongoDB, Cassandra, Azure Table, Gremlin. We will be sticking with core SQL. Location obviously you can see as US West. Account type is as of now non-production, and geo redundancy and multi-region rights are disabled over here by default. So if you want to enable them, go ahead and do that, but I would recommend if it's in development mode, then just go ahead with the default selection, click on review plus create, and your account will be created. Since I've already created one, I will not be creating this new database account. So in the next one, we'll be looking into creating our functional app.